Staden with Monrovia Nursery. We're going to talk about how to separate clematis. You're back from the garden centre. You've had just a tremendous afternoon of fun, or maybe it's just a half an hour of fun, but it's always fun at the garden centre. You've chosen a gorgeous clematis. Notice that these plants are grown on bamboo. Vines love bamboo. There's some type of symbiotic relationship with them. They just do so well. But we're going to talk about how to separate a clematis. So the plant has been trained beautifully up this bamboo stake. The first thing we do is remove the twist and tie. Put that in your pocket because you can always use that later. The nurseries always use great quality material. A lot of it's so recyclable. And then what we do is we gently open up the plant. Now let's imagine that we're going to put this onto a wall. We're going to exfoliate it, or as in Europe, they're starting to use clematis as ground covers where they're just laying them on the ground. It's a great idea. Remove the stakes. Easy as this. And then you can really start to work with your clematis. Occasionally, because they're so viney, there, it's that easy. Just be very gentle. And then if you want to espalier her on a wall, or you've got an espalier you've purchased, you just tie the vining part to the espalier with a twist and tie. It's that simple. Patience and gentleness is the key. So there you are. It really is easy. This is Nicholas Staden from Monrovia Nursery on how to separate clematis.